Hello and welcome everyone to a new video on your channel, Mr. Tech Tips. Before watching the video, don't forget to subscribe to our channel and don't forget also to like this video. In today's video, I will show you how to make voice navigation louder on Google Maps. So to do this, it's very simple. You have just to go, open Google Maps app. After that, click on your picture on the top right of the screen. And after that, go and click on settings. And after that, go and click on navigation. And as you can see here, there is an option on guidance volume. You have to change it to louder, and like that the voice navigation will be louder on Google Maps. I hope that you like this video. If you like this video, don't forget to subscribe to our channel to like this video, and see you in the next